Hello, my name is Gustavo Romero and today we're gonna make salsa borracha. This is the salsa that you will eat with a steak. When I think about the acid and the smoke, I think it will be perfect. We're gonna start by charring our vegetables. So we're gonna add our tomatoes, a quarter of onion serranos, and our garlic. Now we have some chili de árbol that we're gonna use as well. You have to be a little quick with these ones. If you over toast them, they get bitter, so we don't want that. Our arbol are nice and toasted. They start changing color. They're getting a little dark. That's when we want to remove them as we continue to toast the rest of the stuff. All right. Now that we have our vegetables nice and charred, we always start with the stronger flavors. So we're gonna start with our roasted garlic, and then we're gonna add some salt. The coarseness of the salt is gonna help mash our vegetables. Add our cumin evenly into the whole salsa, and then we're gonna start adding dried chilies or serrano chilies. Oh, it's gonna be hot. Or onion and tomato, and a little bit of liquid. All right, and this is when the fun part starts. We have to finish it with a little bit of chopped cilantro, and my favorite part of the salsa, a little bit of mezcal. I like to use mezcal because of the smoke, but if you add in excess, it's gonna add a little bit of bitterness to it. If you don't like mezcal, you can always add a dark beer. You can use tequila, you can use a little bit of gin. It really depends what you like. I love mezcal. That's what I add mezcal to it. Spicy, but the mezcal really balanced with the acidness. We add a little bit more salt, and I think it's perfect. Okay, salsa borracha.